Hello dear students, today we will discuss Science Worksheet 27 Class 9th, the fundamental unit of life. Here today we will discuss cell division. Jigyasa Didi, how does organism grow in size and our wound get repaired? Gyan, all multicellular organisms grow in size by cell division process. The process by which a cell divided into two or more new cells is called cell division. In this process, the cell which undergoes division is called mother cell. As a result, new cells produced are called daughter cell. Therefore, all multicellular organisms grow in size, develop and replace dead cell by cell division process. Even the wound or tissues get repaired. Gametes are produced by this process. Cell division is of two types. It means cell division से ही सारा बॉडी का डेवलपमेंट होता है, हमारा लंबाई चौड़ाई विकास होता है, और जो चोट लग जाती है, कट लग जाता है, वो बढ़ जाता है. दैट इज़ जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ सेल डिवीज़न. माइटोसिस, सेल डिवीज़न, टू टाइप्स हो गए, माइटोसिस एंड मियोसिस. In this process, a mother cell is divided into two identical daughter cells. The number of chromosomes in daughter cell and mother cell remain unchanged. This type of cell division takes place in most of the cell and is responsible for growth and repair. Meiosis cell division. This type of cell division takes place only in the specific cell of reproductive organs or tissues. As a result, only gametes are formed by this process. In this process, a specific mother cell undergoes two consecutive division and finally produce four daughter cells. The daughter cell produced in this process have half number of chromosomes in comparison with their mother cell. तो माइटोसिस एक नॉर्मल सेल डिवीज़न हो गया, और मियोसिस जो होता है वो रिप्रोडक्टिव सेल्स में होता है. आप इधर देख सकते हैं सेल डिवीज़न. माइटोसिस इधर चल रहा है. सिंपली एक सेल डिवाइड हो गया टू सेल्स में. क्रोमोसोम्स जो हैं वो सेम हैं दोनों में ही. और इधर मियोसिस आप देख सकते हैं राइट साइड में. मदर सेल डिवाइड हुआ पहले दो में, और वो दो फिर चार में डिवाइड हो चुके हैं, और इसमें क्रोमोसोम्स के नंबर जो है वो हाफ हो जाते हैं. What is the importance of cell division in organism? All living organisms grow in size, develop and replace dead cell by cell division process. Even the wound or tissues get repaired and gametes are produced. Question number 2. Where does meiosis cell division takes place in organism? What is formed from the daughter cells in it? Meiosis cell division takes place in specific cell of reproductive organ or tissue. Gametes are formed by this process. Number 3. A human cell has 46 chromosomes in it. What will be the number of chromosomes in its daughter cell if it undergoes through meiosis cell division? Answer is 23, because in meiosis chromosomes becomes half. What is cell division? The process by which a cell divided into two or more new cells is called cell division.